Hello, this is Outdoors with Robert. I really appreciate you following along on our series. We've been in northern Italy. Obviously, I'm not there today. It's a cloudy day here in Colorado. But I felt like I was kind of missing an intro into a lot of those videos, and that's a topic for another day. But today we're going to start off. We are in Iseo, actually Lake Iseo, but we're starting in the town of Iseo in northern Italy. And I tell you what, it just was just a beautiful spot. It was one of my favorite spots along the tour that we were on. We were on an OAT tour, which stands for Overseas Adventure Travel, and we really enjoyed really the whole experience where we stayed, the people in the small group. It was a very small group, and the places that we visited, and our tour guide did a fabulous job along the way. But I just want to give a little bit of an intro here. And Iseo, I think, maybe is a little bit underrated when you start looking at Lake Como. I think a lot of people think of Lake Como, but I tell you what, and maybe it was the weather involved. We did have some rain when we were on Lake Como, but Iseo did not disappoint, and I think you'll appreciate it. I'll just stop talking and let the scenery do the talking. I appreciate you spending time with us, and I hope you enjoyed today's visit to Lake Iseo. I hope you enjoyed following along on our tour of northern Italy so far. Iseo did not disappoint in my mind. Hopefully you enjoyed that as well. I am wrapping up on the series of northern Italy. Had a little bit of a downtime here between the last video and this one. I've got a couple of more to go. I hope you enjoyed today's. There is a playlist of all the videos of Italy and other places that we've traveled as well. If you click on playlist, you'll have those to choose from. Thanks for following along.